say ye hia wa ukọ NDC strong vote yomo ye oho sa na people omunye hu
use microphone yeah
the entire make sa no ukọ NDC strong vote so umusu ene ato abama NDC ya no de oso mo yema omunye oba MPP strong vote the same thing omuso ka adetia omu anyina adwem say ha de me ye den e beto ama me enti okwa no akoda yetimi to abama obi ye Subin ukọ me ne nam nyina ukọ ba bia mo say MPP no kura MP ne ye to abama no ko ye hu ni da ye tin kan kura da sa na democracy no aka say because me MPP ti na me NDC ti me gina because I am strong nti e be start to ama me nti makoda na de say wo ye enye say bibia na say wo di sika be yo to me bia omunya leadership omunya so we be ke bibia kire keke say oh minuanom minim say dia atumu ana say dia koso ha enye o say etimi yehu bibi ma ho odi ntimi nya so ana mo metu ni ana mo me nyina entrase nya fa adwene baako nya hwa na mo ebetimi atu na saa de e koso mantamu ha yi ebia yenya so anu yi uhunu leader uhunu MP uhunu obia edu abato a ene na wonam fie mu na wo chiachia na wo be enti obi ho hu onim kura onya ti nka se abato bi ti na wo ba na de bofu ontie bi se o se o mo a to abamo mo no eno an se ebidura na MPP ye we na de benje ne abane ato na chiachia na okoni akoto abama no uhunu biem sade na twam you have to work, you have to earn your vote. So we are Ghanaian, we are MPP, NDC, one need diabe. That's why you need say. 1992 na comedy Ghana for we are hungry for democracy, and people knew that people were leading these political parties. And to almost no mudi and we are MPP and NDC, it is going by a chum. So one year juma, one ma Subin for Ghana for who say, oh, when he's ready, who be ho, oh, a dear beer a dawa comaso, oh, was say be our day body and one bread or one. Forget it.
Are you saying, Sir Subin for Omunhu MP?
Pacho, we are century when you may find Namian century for more far microphone for crew, no musa. Say MP, I was Subino, Umuhuna Mokobisa. So Muhuna.
Of Maho. But Kumasi will tell you that
democracy as such as saying, come in, what small be, what could one name, why you would you mamma, or small beer, no coyant mamma, on for report.
That's what they report, bro.
Do we see that in Subin? What is said, MPOTC, what is said, why people's forum, why community meeting, say any pamran on you trust no mukasa, no musam say, Majuma me and a crown, so many and I say, as some my cost to a crown. Mo adwene mo sen e dia na me ko kam no ma mo mu ko gire mo na mu o kwan be so de yesusu wo man mu nyina no mo kra dia na me ko kam what bi da onye bi da
but Kumasi will tell you that Subin has been one of the most developed with Rose. I mean buying they've gotten all when Pina get him Rose start
me better had them kind of first ni pampuntu and they mampuntu we see roads attack. Yes, there's been some road works.
Yes,
I agree. And one no, I know the development no. I know. Na enipa enya djuma nye come di nipa e mabunu wi school wonya bibia nye nkofo hwe Subin me namu ye sama metie ni de mi hunu de me ka kire nkofo. Enema mienu pa ne hia Subin. Se nipa benya djuma ye e dia akon hia. Ena Subin suso ade wo kese eye ankrankure adwumaye abroni beka self employed enti se wetima ku hia ama nipa nya adwumaye wo Subin a ade a wo so ye ne se wo se ankrankure adwuma mu kena broni beka se you help to develop the self employed and I say individual businesses no oboa amasa nyuma ne tumpon a na se me fan se ukofi na ebia wo shoe making shop kakra bi yetimi boa wo ema tools kakra ema training ema shoe making shop no etimi peja obetima fa branch adwuma first time kan ko na onye sika tubutu na branch so nya sika tu butum mu mienu mu sika na monya no etimi to dokunu manipa mienu dokunu wura no so ni dwa akosoro on so etimi koto moko to no more eno na the rolling effect enema community develop when the economy of the community is booming the development will follow road development will follow because the people will be able to pay taxes now ka say uko lobby ema yenya road back mienu bi efa ho nti wakwakoda. Is that development? Is that what you call development? No. That's incomplete. The people have to develop. Or say ankran no enye bibi eye. They say na soma juna. Onya juma ye, onya bibi twadwane di, onya bibi tua ne school fees. Onya bibi etua ne dan car. Now one ne kasa, un se sebio, un ni pe kasa. We so ultimate transfer dwen straight. And we bibia. Na onya juma nye e come dinner. E dey na ka kire ko beti ase. Onti.
Central market will Subin.
Central market will Subin. Enti e wo se aboa wo mo.
Project needs you know why you follow up as independent person. Why a delay? The Central Market project.
Esikasem, the central, it's a Esikasem Central Market project. You know, and the way they are managing it, administering it. Supposed to be crying more. And they are more. A quite fast man for no crana and the cry watch bidding. Ya wie no hwe said you manage electricity e honum and the cry asem kese ni nyina so ne say I'm not going to blame KMA say bia KMA na bone ana so munye bone but the me person can say senka Subin for champion omo leader ono koko girama mo say wo say KMA for no mu trase na e kwan be ne wo say fa so gi meter and say kwan be ne wo say fa so manage electricity na ba ho no who represent them enya omo association nko awo enu na wo ye MP wo represent nko wo lead nko you are a key stakeholder, you are a key a development agent, you are a key spokesperson for the community. And to say bibi to say kejetia wo ho ye wo nipa dodo say wom na say MP wo ho no ultimate represent wo on their interest. So obi MP wo elimina or represent fishermen, right? The business in years about fisher folks. We are MP Subina. The people of Subin are business people. We are jomfo, we are shoemakers, we are sanujumafo. You have to represent small enterprises. And to also small businesses say, how do you help them to achieve their goals so that we business no a bit booming. No muso Akoma na ama patomu na tupo. That's why MP that's someone take business in pass. Unu sani mawoya. How can you lead the people? E better know the money kind. And Subin for who say obi di omonim kan and it is evident opa me sell opa fa microphone so ankola bi mo ko fa dum no musa mo ko fa saf market mo ko fa makom dum no musa so mo ampi omo hu no hen
is as a most of my idea me show as a politicians mo position na mo ni abem a mo nyansa na different. You appear to exhibit high sense of concern, wisdom. But when you buy a as a story, because my Kenya, I have to be there. We've had, most of your people, Mekai Eugene Baye, I was sat with him in studio. Many of your political leaders, they say sweet things than this.
I'm not just saying sweet things. I'm telling you the solutions to the problems.
But many of them have better solution than some of these things you are preferring.
And the message and the messenger.
Okay.
And a kaboom na the solution eba.
Okay.
And yes sir obi be ka asem keke nipa no suban ben no wada die ne ye ben no wada die experience ben wo na bra bom e che se ye o kan obetumi aye anaso assassin ko tu wona mo bi ana ye mi kan nyina no e ade mi tu wona mo.
Okay.
Enye ne na me start say me ye bibi e de abo Subin for not a political party.
Okay.
Subin for
that's the entire constituency.
The entire constituency. Individuals a woman groups kakra woman ame me ne o ka say ye ku ayate no ye boa omo sa no adwuma kakra na ye boa omo ye mamu interest free loans no mo dia ye omo ka say adwuma wo ye bia say 500 po na wudi na de be ma on ye nyi interest wo ya ma mre na de ahye nsuo a wo ton ho obi o ton nsuo una 1000 cedis with me to fridge and the ice the ton nsuo e mo no nkasa na adwuma etumpon Sani yes say the boy and kofo. It says me yet by example. I'm leading by example. I'm not just saying it. At the American me me too one more. Enti I dance here ho say me to me aye. And yet now so we 2014 by me ka say me say to be for shame anymore nyama. I will not wait for common fund.
Yeah.
Me ka say common fund yet. E beboa e be ka ho. But resources will Subin e betimi harness. E betimi harness bi wo said be amanone a bit man see bio other industries and corporations and embassies ewa ha e dia make sure say 87.9 and what kakra e bit me dia boy man you said there are a lot of embassies if you are looking for training resources ohwe ntetia de ma wo anka se wo adwuma mo adwuma ni tumpon a ebi ho a wo betimi dia boa wo e be pesa mo ani di betimi nya free ye anka se ye ho osubi ha di betimi nya free aban ho e di nya be ka bom ye dia boa se wa hwe a wo basubi no bebre ada se ya se dan wona tete no subi ha ana se ye wono tete be subi ko ye outlier because of physical nti e brand e wo subi no won ti ase ni wa famu me ye wo mo afun kwanta passenger house me fie edo anyimre bobe no numa obi e wo fufuo that's the only food you eat e tomre bi kra fufuo no kra ye wobi ye na gu fom ya kusku aba enti e bre ene amani hunu mi mahunu bi da enti mi nim se de subi for how titie eno na ase mi kra se mi twa na mo bi e be ma enchirima emfa saa bre na me fa mu ni bi enya se bi nim ni tumi bi a mi pe enti na me pe mp na me tena ma bro chire me pese bi jadi mpa be se mi ye bibi pam me se mi ye bibi emfa mo Subin na tetima ma ese dimti eno na pam me I'm not just talking, I'm willing to do it and I have the capacity to do it.
I see. May I also organize a health screening at the Amasu?